To send money from your account to a Bitcoin wallet, you'll need to start by setting up a cryptocurrency exchange account with a reputable platform. Once you've chosen a platform, create an account and complete any necessary identity verification. Next, link your bank account or debit card to the exchange, which can usually be done by adding your debit card or through ACH bank transfers. After linking your account, transfer funds to the exchange by depositing money from your account. You can use a debit card, which may have instant transfers but also charges fees, or ACH bank transfers, which are typically free but take 1 to 3 business days. Once your funds are available, buy Bitcoin through the exchange's buy and sell section. After purchasing cryptocurrency, navigate to the send section of the exchange. Enter your Bitcoin wallet address, confirm the transaction, and wait for it to process. This may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. By following these steps, you can successfully send money from your account to your Bitcoin wallet.